Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. This particular boat is powered by the new Mercury 200 Verado, stainless steel ski tow bar, stainless steel ladder. This does have the stainless safety railing, and this is the very popular single lounger layout. Coming into the boat, you'll see plenty of wraparound seating, upgraded helm chair with a high back, tilt wheel steering, again digital throttle shift, total lighting package, JL audio upgraded stereo, SIMRAD. Coming forward with the upgraded JL audio, does have the sub, in-floor ski locker storage, and plenty of forward seating. That concludes our video of the 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. Come out and see us at MarineMax Pensacola.